YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that are new here, my name is Christina and I make videos on everything beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And today I have a lifestyle video for you guys. I want to share with you guys what I eat in a day, and I want to make this as realistic as possible. Although I am home for the day, I was supposed to have work today, which I still did, but we had a work from home day today due to the weather currently here in the Bay Area. It's storming like crazy, and driving out in this weather is not the most ideal thing to do right now. So my boss went ahead and had us do a work from home day. I do work at a school, so this is not a typical thing for me, but I did want to jump on here and make a what I eat in a day video for you guys, but keeping it as realistic as possible. So this morning I just had my toast with almond butter and bananas. That's something that is realistic and typical for a normal work day when I'm waking up in the morning, getting ready and heading out. It's really quick to make in the morning. I'm just toasting my bread, putting my almond butter, cutting up half of a banana and eating it like that with my coffee. During the week, I usually just have like nothing fancy, nothing like a latte or anything. I just have either regular coffee, or since I have my Breville espresso machine, an Americano. Sometimes I'll just have it black, sometimes I'll have creamer, just based on how I'm feeling. And that was my breakfast. So I'm actually about to head to the gym. It's about, I want to say about 12:30 right now. So I'm just gonna whip up a quick little small meal before I head to the gym, just because I need something to kind of fill me up a little bit more before I work out. But I'm probably gonna make some eggs and some veggies on the side. As a note, it's the new year. I did say in my previous video, my New Year's intentions, if you haven't seen that yet, go ahead and check it out. But I did mention that I do want to start cooking more meals at home, because towards the end of last year, me and John went out a lot, especially during the holidays and during my break, my vacation. I have this intention for myself to make more meals at home. Yeah, so also I wanted to point out before, or sometime last year, I was with a coach who created a meal plan for me, like a macro plan, and I did use MyFitnessPal and entered in my meals that way. So I kind of wanted to jump back on that. I still have a pretty good idea of what I need to eat in a day, like my macros and all of that, but I still like to enter it in MyFitnessPal so that it's easier for me to track what I'm eating and what I have left in the day. That's what I'm gonna kind of base this video off of too, is kind of keeping track or following what my macros plan is on or through MyFitnessPal. So I already had my toast, banana, and almond butter and coffee this morning. So for a pre-workout meal, I'm probably gonna have just eggs, maybe a little bit of rice, and some veggies on the side. And then I'll share with you guys what I decide to eat after, since I am home for the day. And usually this is something what I would take for lunch while I'm at work. It's just something very simple for lunch. And then I'll take you guys along for what I have for dinner later. But yeah, it does look a little different because I'm not home every single day. I'm usually realistically at work, at a school, but I'm gonna try to keep it realistic for you guys while I'm home and able to film for you guys, since I'm not usually able to film when I'm at school. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I eat in a day, just keep on watching. If you guys watched my last video, you guys know that I've been taking these productivity shots by Magic Mind. I just wanted to give a little update about how these are working for me. I've already been taking them for about a week now, and I already feel a difference in my productivity levels, as well as mainly the feelings of jitteriness and my anxiety levels when I do take these in the morning. I usually take it alongside my coffee in the morning. So as you saw when I made my coffee and ate my toast, I also drank one of these little bad boys. I have more information in my previous video about that, but basically these are little 2-ounce productivity shots that have matcha in it and other ingredients that help and that have proven to reduce levels of anxiety, stress, feelings of jitteriness, but also increase productivity levels. So I've been loving the effects of these lately, ever since I've started taking them. I usually feel like little senses of jitteriness throughout my days when I do drink coffee. I do drink coffee every single day. I need my coffee in the mornings. I just feel like my energy gets drained 10 times faster when I'm working with kids and students at the school. So I can't go without my coffee, but I do feel those senses of jitteriness and want to get rid of those. So this is a great solution to helping me reduce those feelings of jitteriness, but also staying productive and boosting those productivity levels for me. So similar to my last video, if you guys haven't seen it, I also do have a discount code with Magic Mind. It is Joann20. I'll put more information about that down in the description box if you are interested. I'll have a link to their website where you can order your first box as well as get a little discount with my code, and you can try these out yourself. But I just wanted to jump on here and update you guys on how I'm feeling from these shots and share that with you all. But let's go ahead and continue on with my what I eat in a day. This was exactly what I was craving. I don't know why, but I was just craving bell peppers and red onion. Usually I don't eat bell peppers and red onion, but for some reason I was just craving them, and they really go really well with these eggs. But I'm gonna finish this meal and head to the gym, do a little workout, and come back home, probably shower and make lunch, like probably a late lunch, early dinner, just depending on how I feel. I'm probably not gonna eat too much today, so we'll see. It might just be an early dinner, late lunch, because I might not be hungry. Yeah, we'll check back in to see what I eat. Camera died, but we'll check in to see what I eat later. So stay tuned. But for now, I'm heading to the gym to get a workout in, and I'll talk to you guys later. So I'm back from the gym. As you saw, I got some Starbucks. It's a latte. Usually I do drink 2 coffees a day. I probably shouldn't, but I have a ton of Starbucks gift cards and I was just craving something sweet. So I got the pistachio latte. I'm so excited that the pistachio latte is back. But I got it hot because it's pretty cold out, and I don't know, I just was craving a hot drink. And I'm gonna have it with my protein bar. I usually like these Power Crunch like wafer bars. They're really good. I like this vanilla flavor, the mint flavor, as well as like the coconut chocolate flavor too. I think the vanilla one will go good with the pistachio latte. So I'm just gonna eat this with my coffee, and then I'm gonna shower. And I'm not very hungry right now, but I'll probably make dinner later when John is home. But I'm probably gonna have the shawarma chicken from Trader Joe's, cook that, eat it with some rice and cucumbers and tomatoes on the side, and call it a day from there. And I think that's probably it that I'll be eating for the day. But yeah, if I don't talk to you guys later, I wanted to sign off here, but I will show you what I eat later on in my day and how the rest of my day plays out. I did want to just say thank you guys for watching this video today. I know it is a bit different than what I usually do. I normally do like fashion, organizational things, but I thought it'd be really cool to film what I actually eat in a day, especially because one of my New Year's intentions is to make more meals at home. So I wanted to bring you guys along in what I eat in a day and what I cook. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, again, a huge shout out to Magic Mind for also sponsoring a portion of this video. I mentioned them earlier in this video about the 2-ounce productivity shots. I've currently been taking that every day in the mornings with my morning coffee, and have noticed a difference in especially my levels of jitteriness and anxiety levels, stress levels, all of that, as well as staying productive too. So I'm gonna drink this coffee, eat my protein bar, and shower, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.